Hello, welcome back to Stockman Original. I'm Max. This is Brian, the original Stockman.
How you doing?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yeah.
We haven't checked in as like a channel update for a while, so we just wanted to say hello to all our wonderful subscribers.
Yeah, and thank you so much for joining in with our little tribe, making it very exciting. And
Especially when you comment, we love that.
yeah, it's fun. We do read them, we do try to respond.
Over Christmas, or right at New Year's actually, we hit 5,000 subscribers.
Just before the year ended. It was,
Amazing.
It was very cool.
Pretty exciting. So we're climbing the ropes, and it's all thanks to you for watching the videos and commenting and hitting like and
Love it.
all of that.
Yeah. It's very cool.
So we have lots of stuff planned for 2023 and beyond. New stuff.
Yeah, there's a bunch of crazy stuff.
So look for that. Let us know if there's anything, specifically that you want to see
That's fun.
Brian work on.
Yeah, we've done that, and people have said, well, and go, hey, that's a good one. So yeah, definitely. Help us out.
Put that leave a comment on this video and let us know what you'd like to see.
Yeah, that would be fun. It's a good New Year's thing to do, too.
What's your New Year's resolution that we should do?
Yeah, wait a minute. Oh, that would be great.
So here's to Lauren. Georgia. Lay down. Here's to more great stuff this year and beyond.
It's Jameson's. We're supposed to be.
Yes.
Cheers.
We've got our alcohol.
Oh, well. Well, we don't need it. Yeah, very much appreciated all your support, helping us get to this point.
Here's to you. Thank you so much. See you next time.